Well, good morning, everyone, team. Welcome back to the session. So let me start the session for today. If anyone else is there, they will be joining parallel team. So in the yesterday session team, we have a day one demo yesterday. And in the yesterday's demo class, we were talking about the introduction to this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. And what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team? Like we have seen introduction to ERP, then Fusion applications evaluation overview, like in which year Oracle introduced this product in the market and what are the prior ERP products. I mean, before Oracle Fusion applications, what are the other ERP products that Oracle having in the market? Then in which year Oracle introduced this product and exactly from when onwards this Oracle Fusion applications became popular in the market. That all we have seen in the yesterday's class team. And also I explained you types of companies involved. Like in any software application in the market you take, typically who are the companies involved? Like who is the vendor, who is the consulting company, who is the client or the customer company, right? These things we have discussed here, team. And I also introduced to you Fusion environment releases, right? Like in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this product in the market, what is the version they came up with? And since then, how the application got evolved? What is the latest version of the Fusion applications? And also, every year, how many times the Fusion application will be upgraded? I told you, right? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. For every 3 months, they will be upgrading the application. And how the sequencing that they are following for every quarter to quarter. That all I have explained you, team, when I'm talking about Fusion environment releases. And then we talked about modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Like in this application, what are the modules we have? And what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and any prerequisites are required to learn this course, any coding is required to learn this course or not. Then what are the career opportunities in this Oracle HCM Cloud? Like who can learn this course, for whom this course is eligible for, right? These all things we have seen, team. Now today I'm going to explain you these concepts that which we left out in the yesterday's agenda, team, like Oracle knowledge repository and Oracle certification process. These two things I will be covering in today's session, and also I will introduce to you the Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. Like when any company buy this product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered, how to access the application, what is the UI, how the screens looks like, that all we will be seeing now, team. Okay. So to start with today's session, the very first concept we are going to start for today will be Oracle knowledge repository. What is this Oracle knowledge repository? See, as part of this training program, we are going to provide you all the materials for this program, for every module and all. But as a consultant, when you are working on this technology team, once you get into your jobs, once you get into your projects, if you want to refer any Oracle standard documentation team, where you have to go, and every quarter upgrade is happening, right? Every quarter upgrade is happening. And I told you yesterday, every quarter when upgrade happens in the system, certain new components, certain new functionalities, new features Oracle bringing in the system. How come we will be educated about that? If you are working in the real time, you should also be aware of in this quarterly upgrade, what new functionalities, what new features Oracle bringing in the system, where we have to access that all documents team. Oracle will give all these documented materials, but the only thing is we should know the right place where we have to go in the web or internet and where we can access the Oracle standard documentation team. In order to access Oracle standard materials or documents team, go to any Chrome, it might be Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, anything. Just type as Oracle repository. Just type as Oracle repository. Once you type as Oracle repository team, you will be landing upon this first link, fusionappsor.oracle.com. See, Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Applications team. Go to this link. Go to this link. You will land upon this page team. Oracle Enterprise Repository for Fusion Applications. Right? Here you go to search by product and here you have team cloud applications. Once after coming to this page, go to cloud applications. Right. Then you will land upon this page team. What is that? docs.oracle.com, documents.oracle.com, and then Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite. So here when you come team, you will be seeing all the products that Oracle having under the Fusion Applications team. See, we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management. But under Oracle Fusion Applications team, Oracle providing multiple ERP products in the market. What are they, you know? Like these are some of them team. For your reference purpose, I kept all of them in this slide. Oracle Fusion Applications product family. See, under Fusion Applications team, one such product is our HCM, Human Capital Management, which is a HR related software application. Similarly, Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio Management, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Supply Chain, SCM Cloud, or CRM Cloud. These are the different products that Oracle offering under the Fusion Applications team. So we are learning about HCM. Our technology is HCM. Why I am telling all this is when you come to docs.oracle.com, all Oracle Fusion Cloud applications you can able to see here. This is financials. This is accounting hub. This is procurement. And this is SCM, supply chain, and all the modules in that. And this is our HCM, Human Capital Management. So come to docs.oracle.com and then come to this HCM team and then choose our human resource. Okay. So once you click on that team, you will be landing upon our human resource Oracle and see 24A, the current latest release that which we are in 24A. Once you come here team, go to left hand side and here we have something called all books, right? Go to this all books. Then here you can see team. You want whether implementation guides, user guides, administration guides, what you want, what documents you want. Let's say I want implementation documents. In the view filter, keep the option as implementation. Then all the implementation guides for every module. See team, this is for absence management module. This is for benefits. This is for compensation, core HR, payroll, help desk. Then payroll, we have country specific documents again, localizations team. Then time and labor, all our modules that what I listed out yesterday here. See, all our modules, what I listed out, their documents team. So we have to come to all books, keep the option of implementation, then scroll down Then pick up your module team. Then I will click on the PDF directly. See, I came to global HR module and I'm clicking on PDF. Then see, this is the global HR implementation guide that which Oracle provided team. It's downloadable. Every concept with an explanation, everything will be given in this document team. See, but Oracle documents are very lengthy and very high informative team. So if you want to use them for your reference purpose, you can use them, or else you can rely upon our materials, because we customized the materials for the every module team. That makes your work easy to understand. But if you want to refer the Oracle documents, this is the navigation you have to follow team. It's downloadable. It's free, open source. The only problem is many people don't know how to access them. See here, anywhere did I log in into Oracle site? No. See, if I keep my cursor here, it is asking me to sign in. It means what? I have not signed into anything. Just I came to Google, I searched the relevant URL and I came here. It's an open source Oracle offering for everyone team. So here you can find implementation guides like this. Then you have other things, administration guides, user guides, how to use the application, the end users when they're using the application, that all you can able to filter and you can able to download that team. Then if you go to videos here team, some short videos with respective to some of the features Oracle will embed. Though it's not much useful team, but here and there some useful new components or new features what Oracle brings in this release that you can able to give see team. Okay, short videos Oracle will embed here. Then the most important thing why I came to this is every quarter when Oracle upgrading their application, they are coming up with new features where Oracle will embed the documents within this docs.oracle.com only. We went to all books to access the implementation guides and all. Above all books, we have something called cloud readiness and what's new. See team, cloud readiness and what's new. Go to this what's new. Okay, so that you will land upon the other link here, other page. And here all the products you can see team of Oracle. Come to HCM, our product. And again, all our module related areas you can able to see. Human resource if I expand, our core HR module, help desk module, benefits module, compensation module. Module wise you have team bifurcation. Select which module details you want to check. I want human resource, that is global HR. Select that one. Then what's new, human resource, and click on HTML team. HTML team. You will come to this link. And here see update 24B. We are currently in 24A. As of now, Oracle systems not upgraded to 24B. Next month, in April month, they are yet to come. But Oracle given the document readily see. In 24B release, what are functionalities that Oracle coming up? You can click on that update 24B option and then you will land upon this page team. Here left hand side expand your module and see. These all are the new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. See, a detailed information team. If you select that feature, an explanation about that, see, no defaulting of parent position for professional users. What is that feature is about? In the system where the navigation we have to go, on which screen, which field that new functionality is coming, with screenshots, step by step, Oracle will explain that feature team. So this is very important aspect because as I told you yesterday also team, if you are working on a particular technology or an application, you should also grow along with the application. So phenomenal changes you won't find. Just basic functionality enhancements will come in the system. Just every 3 months, if you could refer these things, then you will also be knowing about what all the new functionalities coming up team. Then if you want to check out prior to 24B previous releases details team. In 24A, what they came up. Then you can click on 24A. Then prior to 23D, 23C, 23B, 23A. Last quarterly upgrades also, if you want to refer, you can go and you can check team. So this is the Oracle Knowledge Repository team. We have to come and we can able to access the documentation, and also every quarterly release, what are the new functionalities that they're bringing in the system, you can able to get understanding here in this particular area team. This is about Oracle Knowledge Repository. So very important thing, every consultant should know all these aspects to access the Oracle standard documents team. And then I will give an understanding about the Oracle certification process, because some of the participants was asking me even yesterday after the class, who reached out to me, couple of people asking me, Kumar, what about the certification concept in this in this technology? Does it really required for us to do the certification, or without certification also we can able to get the job? Or if we have to do certification team, what is the cost incurred for certification? How Oracle conducting the certification exam? Let us talk about that team. Oracle certifications. Okay. Oracle certifications. See, basically, our technology or our applications, that what we are learning is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. This is our technology that what we are going to learn, right team? But the thing is, for the entire application, for the entire course or the technology, Oracle not offering the certification team. Under this HCM cloud, we have multiple modules, right team? Core HR is one module, absence is one module, payroll is one module. Oracle offering the certifications module wise. What is that team? Oracle offering the certifications module wise. There is no certification for entire application team, nothing like that. Which module you want to write, you have to choose that and you have to write team. For every module, there will be a name. For core HR module, if you ask me team, we have something like Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. An examination name team like this. And for every examination, there will be a code. There will be a code. What is that? For core HR, we have something like IZO 1046/23. /23 means the latest paper is last year paper 23. Then for absence management also we have a particular name. Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Then IZO 1052 or something is there. Then for payroll we have an exam. So Oracle conducting the certification exams module wise. So if anyone want to write the certifications also, entire application you cannot write team. Module wise you have to do in the system. And how that examination process to be there, where we can apply. See team, prior to COVID, we used to go to the physical test centers and we have to write. Basically, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson team. Okay, View Pearson. We have a company by name. If you go to Google and if you type it like this, View Pearson, this is the one team, Pearson View. Oracle partnered with this company for the examinations to conducting. And these View Pearson have their offices across all the major cities across the globe. So either you can go there and you can book the exam and you can write from there, or post-COVID, all exams are conducting online. You can go to that particular website. Okay, you can go to that particular website of View Pearson and you can search the exam with your name or code, and you can able to check the available slot, do the payment, and you can sit in your home and you can write the exam, right? Or else team, directly you can go to Oracle University website, then pick up that examination and you can able to apply from there also. Either of the options, you can go and you can book your exam. What is the cost team? For every module, Oracle charging around 22,000 plus applicable taxes team. For every module, Oracle charges around 21 to 22,000 Indian currency plus applicable taxes. And this is a non-refundable amount team. Means no attempts, nothing. If you book the exam, you have written the exam. Unfortunately, you have not cleared that. Then you will be losing that amount. So it's a non-refundable amount. Only one attempt will have the chance team. And even negative marking also will be there. And pass percentage is somewhere 70% we have to get team. Again, this will be differed from module to module. An average, if you ask me, 70% will be the pass percentage team. And the pattern of examination, module to module, number of questions will be differed team. Core HR is the biggest module. We might experience around 75 to 90 questions. Absence is a small module. So around 40 to 45 questions you might expect team. So the pattern of questions will be choose the correct answers type. Like a question will be there, 3 to 4 multiple choice options you will be getting, and you have to give that correct answer. From 23 onwards, from last year onwards, Oracle also introduced scenario based questions in the certification exam. Means what? They are giving the scenario and they are giving the Fusion application link and asking you to configure that and show then and there itself. Earlier, it was not their team. Purely, it used to be on a choose the correct answers type of questions. But from last year onwards, the scope or the pattern of examination slightly changed. Along with the MCQs, they are giving the scenario and asking you to configure in the system and show it over there. So that is how the examinations will be conducted team. And this is the cost incurred. Now, the most important point, do we require to do the certification? In Oracle Fusion application team, absolutely no. It is not mandatory to do the certification. After learning the course, once you drop the profile in the Naukri, it doesn't have any such weightage that your profile will not be screened if you are not a certified implementation specialist. No. Companies won't look for certifications mandatorily in the time of recruitment team. So don't get worried about the certification process. Just ignore that. If really, when it will be required means once you get into the company, once you got deployed into a project, from one project to another project, when you are being moved, some of the clients might be asking your company, hey, please give me only certified implementation resources, not normal people. During that time, your manager might insist you complete the certification to deploy into this project like that. In that case, okay, you can do it team. That is not an issue during that time. But initially now, whenever you are learning this technology and when you are trying to get into this domain, absolutely not required. No company will be recruiting the candidates only on their certifications. If they want, they will recruit the people and they internally they will train and they will also provide the certification codes to apply and clear it team. So initially, you no need to bother about this one. But as such, you should aware of, I'm giving you this information team. If anyone want to apply for a certification team, once after you joining the organizations, go and check with your manager. Company will sponsor for this fee, certification fee, your companies only will bear for you. You can check with your manager team, they will give you the free coupons. So you can redeem that from your company and you can apply and you can get your certification done. Initially, I will tell don't waste your money. No need to write the exam for getting into the job. Okay. This is about team Oracle certification process in the Oracle Cloud Applications team. Now, we will see the introduction to the application team. What is that? Yesterday, I was telling you this technology is purely working on a cloud-based model. Even our technology name is what team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Correct. HCM Cloud means what? This is a cloud-based technology. So when any company buy this product from Oracle, for example, team, we'll take any well-known company of our, let's say Tata Group is their team, or Reliance Industries is there, any company you take. Let's say team, Tata, which is a well-known Indian company to all of us. Tata planning to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in order to use in their in-house HR business operations team. So what Tata will be doing? Tata will reach out to Oracle Corporation or Oracle India Private Limited, whatever it is team, right? Now Oracle sold the product to Tata. This is the customer. Tata is the client. Okay, or the customer. And this is the vendor who's selling the product, right team? So when any company, it might be Tata or it might be any organization, when they buy the product from Oracle, how the product will be delivered team, in which form the product will be delivered, as we know, it's purely offered on a cloud-based model. So what happens, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. What is that? Application will be delivered just in the form of URL. This is how the application looks like. Just a URL team. See? So when a customer buy the product, the Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications will be delivered just in the form of URL team. Take this URL and copy in any of your internet searches like Chrome, Firefox, anything, Internet Explorer. Just copy that URL and search for that one team. You will be able to enter into the application. See, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Anywhere did I install this software in my laptop? No. Anywhere I am running this application in my laptop? No. That is what the cloud-based model means. Everything will be hosted over the internet. The application, the data, security, everything will be maintained in the cloud by Oracle team. So when any client or the customer, when they're buying the product from Oracle, the Fusion HCM cloud applications will be delivered just in the form of web link or URL. And for that, they will provide the user ID and password team in order to access that application's user ID and password will be there. But before logging into the system, I want to introduce to you some of the terminologies here team, because when you are going to work in the coming projects, when you get into the job and when you deploy into the project, you will be hearing every day these terminologies team. So in how many names we can refer Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team? What are the different names that we will be using to call Oracle Fusion applications? Let me list out them. In our regular layman terminology, in our day-to-day friendly usable word, you can call it as URL or you can call it as web link. These are regular usable terminologies team. Link, URL, like that. But Oracle designated certain terminologies to refer the application team. We can call Oracle Fusion applications as environment, okay, environment, then instance, then server, then POD, platform on demand, like this, we have couple of names to refer that application team. Because when you are working in the projects team, whenever you hear the word from your colleagues, hey, can you please give me the instance? Can you please give me the server? Can you please give me the environment? Or can you please give me the pod? Then they are referring to Fusion applications team. So you can call the Fusion applications with different names. You can call it just as a URL, web link, or you can call it as environment, instance, server, or pod, platform on demand. POD stands for what team? Platform on demand. These are the different names that you can be referring the Fusion applications team in real time, right? That is one thing which I want to share with you, team. Then customer to customer team. When Oracle selling the product, for example, team, Oracle will be selling the products to multiple customers in the market. They might be selling to Tata, they might be selling to Reliance, they might be selling to L&T, Cisco, Apple, Amazon. Many customers are there for Oracle who using the Fusion applications team. Customer to customer, when the application shared in the URL, we have to observe there will be a different team. These four characters, what you are seeing here, see, HTTPS login slash ESEC. What is this ESEC team? What is this ESEC team? Client to client, customer to customer. When Oracle selling the product team, there will be change in these four characters. Let's suppose this is the application delivered to Tata. And for other client, when they're selling the product team, there will be change like this. Let's say ETQZ or QW. Or for another company, when they're selling team, it will be something like, okay, like this. Then for another company, when they're selling team, the change will be something like, okay. So customer to customer in the market, when Oracle selling the product team, in the URL, these four characters will be deferred team. See, here I have ESEC, here I have ETQW, here I have HYRT, here I have KHGS. In the URL, that four characters, we will call it as pod number. What is that? POD number. Don't get confused. Kumar, that is in character format. You are telling it as number. That's yes. But still we will call it as pod number. So the four characters that what you are seeing in the URL link, that is called as POD number team, platform on demand number. So customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product, the differentiation will be there in these four characters team. Why I'm telling this is, in real time, whenever you are working team, you might be getting a chance to work for multiple projects also, particularly if you got deployed in a support projects. Okay, in support projects, a kind of pool environment will be there. Pool means you people as a team will be working for multiple clients. So during that time, you should not get confused. Which client's application is what? By looking at the pod number, you can identify, okay, this is this client and this link is of another client, like that team. So when Oracle selling the product only team, for every customer, a unique 4-character code Oracle will be giving team. So there will be difference in this. This we will call it as POD number team, right? And if we talk about environments team, whenever a customer buy the product from Oracle, basically two types of environments they will be receiving, like production environment, development environment, production environment, test environment, and one more we have development environment like that. At this point of time, it's not required team, because if I tell that also, you will get confused. In our workshop session on implementation and support project, during the placement or workshops when we taking up, I will tell you that one team. What is production, what is test environment, and what is development environment. Now it's not required to you at this initial phase to understand them, because you won't understand basically if I tell that also team. So understand as of now these basics in the system. What are the different names that we can call our Fusion application, and what is this pod number, client to client, how the pod number will be different. See, currently I am using demo application team for our training purpose that I am using. At the end, I can see fa.oraclepdemos.com. But in the real time, when you are working in the client's application team, at the end, you will not see as oraclepdemos.com. You will see it as just oraclecloud.com team. Demos means these are for training purposes team. So for that demos.com you will be seeing. But in real time, when you are working after FA, you will see here coming as oraclecloud.com. So I will tell you what is the real environment looks like, or how the test environment, dev environment, or production environment will looks like. What is the differentiation between them? We'll see in the workshop session team. Okay. Okay. So these are the things that you be clear as of now. What are the basic terminologies that we have to be calling the Fusion application, and what is the pod number in every URL team, in every application team. This one you should be aware of. Now team, let me introduce to you the application. So when we are getting access, or let's say when a customer buy the product from Oracle team, application will be delivered in the form of URL I am telling. So let me take this URL and let me copy paste in my browser team. So basically Oracle suggesting to use Firefox, this one team, the Firefox browser as a appropriate browser for Fusion application. But people will be using all different Internet Explorer or Edge browser or Google Chrome. Even I prefer to use Google Chrome team, but usually Oracle suggesting to use Firefox as a gateway or the internet search area for their Fusion applications team. But you can take anything, that's not an issue. Now see team, I came to my Google Chrome and just I'm passing my web application URL team. See, login/ESEC and that one. And I'm giving a search. Now I will be prompted to sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. And here team, I have user ID and password. See, in order to access the Fusion application, we should require the user ID and password team. When we go for an implementation, now Tata Group purchased the product from Oracle team. Now we from Deloitte or TCS or Infosys, Tata given the project. So we have to be working on the client application as per the requirement team. Correct. That's what I told you yesterday also. Then who will be creating the user accounts for us? How in the system the user accounts will be created? How the access will be coming? We are going to start that from tomorrow team. In tomorrow session, we are going to start with security concept. In that I will explain you. But as of now, I am using my credentials for the application team to show you how the application will be in the system. Tomorrow I will show you how we can create the user accounts, passwords, how we can log into the system, that all. Now I came to this sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So I'm giving my user ID and password team. Already in my Chrome, my user ID and password saved automatically, because for prior batches also I'm using the same credentials. So I have passed my user ID and password. And here team, same like other softwares like Gmail you take, or Facebook you take, or Instagram you take. These all are pretty much common. Let's say while you logging into the system, you forgot the password of your account team. Then we have forgot password option. If you go here, we can pass the username, or if you forgot the username only, you can pass the email, because every employee when they hired in the system, they will have the email IDs given, right? So that registered email ID, and choose whether you forgot your username or you forgot your password, click on submit. So to this email, system will be sending the username details or password reset link like that team. So when a employee logging into the system, okay, if they forgot their passwords team, they can use this functionality. And Oracle applications are multi-language supported applications team. It means what? Oracle having customers across different countries team. In many countries, companies will be using the Oracle applications. So Oracle also providing the languages support team. Means, let's suppose a client from China asking Oracle that we want to use the application in our Chinese language. Can we able to do? That's what. So these are the different languages that Oracle application supports. By default, it is in English. Let's say team, while I'm signing in only, I'm selecting the language. Let's say I'm changing it to Greek. See, everything changed. Sign in changed, username changed, password, reset, forgot password, sign in button, everything changed to Greek. Or if I want something like Spanish, see everything changed to Spanish. Or if you want to keep it in Arabic, see Arabic it will be reverse, right? From right to left it will go. So see that got arranged accordingly. So these are the different countries, sorry, different languages that Oracle system supports team. While you logging into the system only, if you select your language and if you sign in, you can experience the Fusion application with that language. So I'm keeping English team as of now. Then user ID and password I have given and I'm clicking on sign in. Now see, I will able to enter into the Fusion application team. This is the user interface of Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications. This is the UI team. Once you log in into the system, you will be landing upon this page. This is the main home screen of our Fusion applications. So good morning. This is my username HCM March that is coming. And here I could able to see several icons team, like several sections I could able to see, right? My client groups, procurement, me, service, Redwood sales, help desk, different sections I could able to see team. And under every section, I have different subsections available. See, if I select something called my client groups here, then I have subsections like hiring, journeys, new person, absences, performance. Then if I go to me, then under that I can see some sub functions here team. And under help desk, I can see some sub functions team, right? What this area we will call, once we land upon the home screen team, this entire area that what you are seeing, that what I highlighted team, these all things, we will call it as springboard. What is that team? This entire area, we will call it as springboard. And in the springboard, you will be having different sections. Every section, we will call it as a functional area in the system. What is that team? Every section, whatever you are seeing, many sections you have. If you drag towards the right arrow here, more sections also you can able to see. Under every section, when you select it, we have some sub options in that team. So every section that you are seeing here on the springboard, that is called as functional area. Then under every functional area, whatever the icons that you are seeing here, these all we will call it as sub-functional areas team. My client groups is a functional area. Then new person under that is a sub-functional area. Hiring is a sub-functional area. Absences is a sub-functional area, right? This entire area is called as springboard and these are called as functional areas. Under them, whatever we have, these all we will call it as sub-functional areas, right team? Then if you come here team, you can see a logo coming as vision. So basically team, by default, when the application delivered, it will come with logo of Vision team. But we have the scope. Let's say your client is telling, hey, Kumar, I want my logo to be available, because when my employee is using the system, it all should be customized according to my company names, everything. We can able to change this logo. Where, we have a concept, yesterday we discussed it, right? Something called customizations. In sandbox topic, we are going to see team how to customize that logo. Or let's say your client is telling, Kumar, this theme I don't want, blue color. Can you please give me white background? Then that things. Or some of the icons I don't want. Or can you rename some of them here? These all things can be done in this customizations area team. That all will be doable in the system. You will see that in our sandbox classes team. So on the home screen only, on the left hand side, we have three lines. What is that team? What is that three lines team? That is called as navigator. So whatever the functional areas that you are seeing in the Springboard, all these are arranged in the horizontal way, one after the other. See, benefits, risk, subscription, right? Or if you come from starting team, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, all these arranged in the horizontal way. But whatever the functional areas, whatever the sub-functional areas that you are seeing in the Springboard, even you can able to access them from the navigator also team. See, if you click on these three lines, a bar will open from left to right. See, a bar opened up. What we have team in the navigator, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, same thing. See, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client, whatever we will have in the Springboard, that all you can able to see team, but in the vertical way. The arrangement will be done in the vertical way. And even see team, under my client group's functional area, I have these all sub-functional areas, right? Even I can able to find that here. See, if I come here, come to my client group, expand that my client groups, then see team, hiring, journeys, new person, person spotlight, performance. All these are what? Sub-functional areas under that team. Whatever we see in the Springboard team, even you can able to find them in the navigator. So from where you want to pick up that particular tasks is up to your convenience team. Either you can pick up from here, or you can go to the navigator and even you can able to pick that functional areas from there also. So this is called as Springboard and this is called as navigator. And if you scroll down the page team, even you can able to personalize the Springboard also. What is that? My client is telling, Kumar, under my client group, can you please hide this hiring and journeys? I don't want to use in my business. Then team, come to the Springboard, select the functional area, scroll down, click on plus icon team, personalize Springboard. Click on this, then see all your functional areas and sub-function areas, whatever we are seeing in the Springboard, that you can able to see here team. Now see, I came to that functional area of my client group, hiring, okay, hiring, new person, person spotlight. These three I unchecked team, okay. Now go here, save and close. Now check out team. Now check out team. Where are they? Under my client groups, where are they? They are gone. Where is new person? Where is hiring? Where is person spotlight? All the three got headed out. See? So you can able to switch off or switch on the sub-functional areas under every functional area in the system team. So again, go back, click on plus icon, personalize Springboard, then come to your my client groups functional area, right? Then you can able to select them back, then click on save and close. Now see team, they are back. Hiring came, then new person came, person spotlight came, all the things now again came back. So these are the things that we can able to do in the Springboard area team. And if you scroll down, the home screen, we have next team, things to finish. What is this area? See, basically, I was telling you yesterday, right? When we're talking about the course components, we have something, a module called workflows and approvals team. What is that? When the application is being used in the real time by your client employees team, all the HR activities, every transaction that happening in the system can be sent for an approval. Let's suppose team, today one of the employee applying the leave, then it should go for concerned manager approval. Or today one of the HR hiring the employee in the system, then it should go to concerned HR's manager for approval. So for every transaction happening in the system, we can send that for an approval team. So basically in the system, if I am a managerial cadre person, if any approvals are coming to me, all managers or HR's team, when they log in into the portal, they can able to check either the notifications in the bell icon here, all the approvals that what are triggering to them, they can able to check it out here. Here approve, reject buttons will be there. They can able to check that approvals and they can take the appropriate action. Either here they can check out team, or when they log in into the system on the home screen, if they scroll down in the things to finish also, they can able to see total 64 notifications came to me, to my user. 64. See here also I can see the same count. So to my user, 64 notifications came in the system so far. So see, things to finish, I can able to find out all whatever assigned to me, these all things. So from here also I can check the notifications and I can take the appropriate action team. Created by me, 112 means what? In the system, I performed 112 transactions team and the approvals trigger to different managers or the HRs. That also I can see here what are the transactions I initiated in the system. See, these all things you will be coming to know once you start working in the application team. So probably some of the participants already received the application access as well. So yesterday, maximum people enrolled. For them, we shared the course dashboard access and also the server access. If anyone missed, don't worry. By today, everyone will be getting the access team. So once you got the access, then once you start exploring them, you can able to get understanding all these things. Okay. Then you have team news and announcement area. So basically in the organization, if the company want to publish some announcements to their employees, some news, some kind of blog, some news or announcements team, they can able to publish in the system that will reflect in the front end for every employee team. So these things we can able to see in the main home page of the application. And then here you have home button. What is this team? Like every other application team, even in our mobile also, in whatever the page you are on, once you click on home button, you will come to main home screen. Correct. In the Fusion application also team, you be on any screen. Let's say I went to some my client group absences and I came to some page. If I click on home button team, I will be landing upon to the main home page of the application. See, main home page of the application. Then we have team here, favorites and recent items option. What is this? Basically team, even in your Google Chrome, if any URL you want to save, you can bookmark it, right? Bookmarking concept is what team in our browsers? Huh? Okay. Bookmarking concept is what team? It will be stored for the future purpose. So within the Fusion system, let's suppose team, I'm a HR user. Every day my task will be, I should be hiring the employees in the system, whoever got selected by the recruitment team. So basically in the Fusion system, the hiring will happen here team, my client group, new person, right? And then hire an employee. Here we will be hiring the employees team. So I can come to that particular task team and I can make it as a favorite here. Go to the star, go to favorites, then click on add to favorites team. This is the task. You can create a new folder here, something like my daily routine work, something folder I given team like this. And I am saving that hire an employee task in this folder as my favorite team. Save and close. Now next day, when I come and when I log into the system, I no need to go to my client group, new person, then pick the hire an employee. Directly, I can go to my favorites team, come to favorites, the folder which I created, hire an employee. If I click on this, directly I can go to that page. See, hire an employee task. What I mean to say is the most usable setups every day in the system, you can add into favorites team. You can add into favorites team. Then recent items. What is this? The history button. Even in Google also, if you want to check the recent histories, you can come and check the history option, right? Similarly, within the Fusion application, if you go to the star icon and if you click on recent items, you can able to check what are the recent screens that we navigated and we came. That all we can able to check out here team, all the recent items here. See, just now I came from hire an employee, that came. It's a kind of history button in the system team. Then this watch list is not required from the point of HCM. Just ignore that. If finance or supply chain implemented, that people will be working on. And this is our notifications team. So as I told you, if I'm a person working in managerial cadre or a HR cadre, if any notifications triggering to me, that all will be coming here team. Then here I have settings and action team. Okay. So if I have to sign out of the application, I can able to sign out from here team. I can able to sign out from here team. Then we have a couple of things team. These all things you will be explained once we start the program. In our core HR module, we are going to see highlight flex field setup and maintenance. And these components we will see in our sandbox customization classes. These all things team. Then if you come here team, if you go to about this application, here you can able to check out what is the latest version of the Fusion application team about this application. Here you can able to see Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications 24A, the releases. So this we can able to check out here in the about this application team. So rest of these components we can discuss in the coming classes team. In tomorrow's session, we can be continuing that. So just today, I want to introduce to you how the Fusion applications look and feel will be. What are the home screen functionalities that we have? What are these icons? What are the different names that we can call these all things that I want to share with you? So that's what planned for today team. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to start with our very first concept, that is security administration in the system team. Any project that you go in your coming future in next 3-4 months, when you are getting into the jobs and when you deploy into the project, any project that you are implementing team, the very first fundamental concept or the understanding in the Fusion application you should be having will be security administration team. Here we are going to talk about user account creation, then access, how we will provide to the users, how many types of users will be there. That all we have to talk in the security administration. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to start with our actual training. Today also, we had the demo continued with the left out topics from yesterday. Tomorrow onwards, the actual regular classes we are starting team, and we will start with our very first module, that is security in the Fusion application team. Okay, so we'll take this topic in tomorrow's session. And team, already whoever enrolled yesterday, we have shared the access to the website, that is LMS access team, to access the recordings every day, and also the application access materials been shared to them. whoever did the payments late evening, probably you might not receive the mail. So today you are going to get. So whoever yet to enroll, I request please enroll today. So from tomorrow, new meeting link will be given team only for the enrolled participants. I think maximum people enrolled, couple of people in the list I can observe attending today. So I request everyone, please complete the enrollments team. From tomorrow, only the enrolled participants will be allowed to the class. Okay. So any questions as such in today's topic, online people? You can please unmute and you can ask team any questions with respective to documentation, certifications, or the basic application things that what we discussed today.
No, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. So people who not yet submitted your details, you can submit in the Google Form team, or you can reach out to me or to the admin team directly on the number that you are seeing on the slide here. Okay, 8179563510. So please do confirm team so that we can add you in the new WhatsApp group for the March batch of HCM, and the access will be shared. Along with that, meeting link also will be shared for tomorrow's session. We are going to start our actual classes from tomorrow onwards. Okay. So if no questions, I will take a break team for today. We'll join back tomorrow and we'll continue the topic. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, team. Then.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank
Let's
you.
join back tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.